Daddy watching me with love.
Guys, I'm coming. Let me share this my video. I want to share it first. Let me see where I can share. How can I share this video now?
Hello everyone. I don't say.
Wait, Momo. Wait here. Wait. Hold your horn. Wait first. They come for you. Oh, you don't messy. You're stupid. Don't go. Oh dear. Wait, guys, just wait for me to share this my video. I will look for it to share first to a special person. If you want me to even cut and self, I will cut them, but let me just. Yeah, guys, now let's go. Let's go to Mumu Ivie Eriyo. Monkey shadow. Very monkey shadow. Let's go to her. Idiot. So I'm going to analyze her because I say whenever she do video, when I see the video she did, I will analyze her. So more they analyze this her video now. Now let me see you. Boy, video. What you do? Oh, bro. What did you not be Sammy? I will come for you. More they talk. More just a washer, Ivie Eriyo. Our news and see. Now by filter for TikTok, when the government, is going to Pemi, but I'll beat her at us.
Hello everyone. I don't say if you promise I know the fail. My government's not the fail.
Government has.
Come back from
Government has. One of our that's all. One of your they so. There you are. To beat you. You my meat. In short, big one for that matter. I go shop you raw. Since we're more big, the biggest one, more in here, though. We money, money, it does so much more. How the face? Yeah, how much more before? Yeah, well, our as I prove your boy. Yeah, if you Belazia, a big Aviolazia, woman of you Belazia, you must screenshot say, Nico, you analyze everything English. You're stupid.
Somebody is crying. The cry is giving. The crying is giving. It's so posh. 2025. Yeah? Now see this 2025. This 2025. I tell people where they go with me. Say, see this 2025. If you not behave well, collect. Short sleeve, long sleeve, short waist, anyhow, one at you want to know. Collect. I know the person where they find trouble. But I said make trouble. You know why? I said marketer.
I bet my people. No, not verse. No, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whenever you are watching this video from. Whenever you are still going to watch it, anywhere you that is you base. Is either afternoon, either morning, or that evening. I respect you home. When I see this very woman where they talk so, are very, very useless. Or this enogie basically, the useless one and the bigger liar. The most frustrated one in this cyberspace. And I have evidence. Actually, they bring her up. When time comes, I will call and prove the evidence. Because why? They don't give me the all evidence where I go fit the tender to take slap her pizza to inside. Before when we get 2023, when I get fight with her, I wasn't even have any evidence. But now I have a full right of evidence to beat her, slap her, even commot it for her mouth. She's an idiot. She's supposed to be a sister to me, but she's a useless sister to the core. Senior sister way useless. Senior sister wey in Taba, senior sister wey in Polisawe for Italy, wey no see anything come out for inside. Now she be. You understand? She make herself to be like irrelevant as she present herself now. She say, you know, say, I know they do saga. But all of una wey know this very woman, Ivie Eriyo, ma woman, transgender, wey dey socials, enogie space, the transgender, the monkey banana, the shapeless of all, the useless among the enogie, the irrelevant of among enogie, the stupid among our own mates, trying to fight the children, when they try to respect her, like she say that they pity for her. This useless woman, they try to tell una say she know they find trouble. But una they watch her platform, they say and say, now she they call people wey not call them very, very useless. Ivie Eriyo, you are useless. Ivie Eriyo, as you insult the enemy of my parents, I'm going to deal with you. I will tell you, say, that Igbo, okay, Pemi, light your Igbo. Let me light your Igbo now. Mona wait, my people. Let me light my Igbo. Now go to hear my lighter now. Ganja. I wanna feel hurry. I wanna light my Igbo. I wanna feel hurry. I wanna light my Igbo. I want to do saga with Igbo smoke. Let me smoke first. This transgender, when they call Ivie Eriyo, she's very useless among all the social media stuff in a different aspect. Now, dustbin, she's a dustbin. You're not going to see her. She dey fight a lot of people. Imagine Rita, where she dey talk to. Rita pass her 100%. Rita get children for inside her house. So Rita carry children put for her house. And husband called Jonah in her house. Rita they go job. Rita no they do her own, no they run. Imagine Iyeki, where she dey cause. Iyeki get children around her. Imagine mommy Susie, my mama, where she dey cause. They get their own children inside family. Husband, they care ever. Now me, where be like say, me no even get care for house. Now me, you want to talk to go away. Ivie Eriyo. Yeah, my mama. You want a nigga because I too fine I decrease. You want to use yourself to compare me or go Ugbo. Now kind of the man where you want to go marry, now want marry. Or go where? Can you stand it? Yo, called up Abraham. May I pause for you? Make I follow this idiot. Hey, my lady, you there here? Oh, you say you be my daughter. Anyway, Anita Shapa. You don't see for this useless woman where you take call mama. You don't see for her hand though. But I know why you know how to talk to her, because it was there. Yeah, wait, I see yeah, be now. And I love that courage that you put on. You want to, you know what you are about to do. So, but let me face her. Don't interrupt me. Do you understand? She's only the best, and she beats anyone that makes friend with her. She's very useless, and she beats anybody. Dominion, Epa, the Murphy wife, Rita, everybody, name it. Even friend outside the social stuff. She's like that. And this kind of people, they are just depressed, very depressed human being. Like her, I can see her face, she's depressed. She's not human. This one not there okay again. She don't die. You will see and say, now only kishi. Now she dey show. She know the show, and kishi gets kishi. The kishi go, my sister dead Bremen, my younger sister. The one was she know was last born. Now Igbo marry, okay, no matter. You know, some people will marry Igbo, their house they clean. You understand? Not all, but some of them will marry real Igbo, their house they clean. But this very one when me they see Ivie Eriyo, where they say, as a mama, as a mama, they stupid for Jenny. As a mama, they stupid. As a mama never even eat finish. As a mama, they cry for sleep. They find, I want to eat. I want to stay for life. As a mama, when he says, tell us, last, early this month, early this year, say, she herself open store. You say you open restaurants. We no see restaurants. We no see anything. Her mama just zua. Oh, what zua? Who are my bell said? Yeah, use a video where I go and I bell for you to even insult my parents. And you told me when I called you, you referred to Eddie Murphy's wife, and now you are lying to Eddie Murphy's head. But you told me on yourself when I called you that Eddie Murphy's wife said you are insulting her on a video again, and I'm telling her to forgive you. Why will she forgive you when you did I not see the video you did? That I should talk to you, and I called you. I was telling you, the movie why is not happy. Why you do this video? What it concern you? Why would they analyze people? Person where you would have already get problem. You're not supposed to analyze her. He said no. Whether he calls her, he calls them. He not call them. You don't analyze the video. Why you must you analyze? Do you understand? And then you can't tell me one word say, now Eddie Murphy wife, now I tell you say, my papa. If Eddie Murphy wife don't go Nigeria, even Eddie Murphy to boy, Eddie Murphy marriage one, I might to marry me. Even Tina, my papa die. Eddie Murphy never see my papa. Talk of his wife don't see my papa. You said now Eddie Murphy wife that is okay. Now I tell you say my papa the phone where he use they use rubber band, tape bander. So I want to tell you how your party die now. The same people where you talk so I tell you, ne? Now he tell me say he cannot be that. I can't come away now. Ogun ogbo agbe o isangu obawewe. Adana viral we. Adana vice we. Isivani adana hana vawewe. Muda me obi na. Wa yoko no yoko no. Wa agbe o. Mo de listen to her.
Anybody who don't trade from market, say must have been made trouble. Let me say he was never a good trader. He was never a successful trader.
And they come for this woman. Mama, they listen.
If you go to urban market and you
Mona Sharon. I need a shamba. Obviously, now Mona share this video. Mona Sharon. After 25 years in Europe, she cannot even rent a house. Yes, exactly, Mr. Lawa. Mr. Lawa can never rent a house.
Before I later left,
she can never actually go rent a house.
My father's house.
A woman that is useless in her life. Mona share this video. Any social stuff. Mona share that. If you go reach WhatsApp, Mona dey stop WhatsApp this night.
Where my mother was.
I'll sit down my home. You can't call me. You make I leave you. Eriyo family. You see, may I tell you now, this woman where they talk, so this Ivie Eriyo. In Eriyo family, she was a nanny as help. As help. That was who she was. That was who she is. She was as help. Eriyo family that I know, the two family that I know, they are weighty and very, very Eddie family and a weight family that I know. The two, I don't know the two that I've said it on my former video that I have saga with her in 2023. I said I don't know the one that she come from. Do you understand? If from the Osakbama or from the other area that nearby in my own family house, I don't know. But the two are waiting. This very is useless. She an e-goat. I have not know her. For me, Pemi Osura does not know this very useless e-goat. That means she was the helper, a help in the family. Because they both family was having a help. The way we were having help in our family. That was how the other family will have. She was one of the help. Guys, as mates, as worker. That was who she is. She's trying to terminate the family that she was helping her with. That's why she claimed that she's from Eriyo. Even the Obaseki, I don't care because Obaseki only now have those states. Do you understand? She does not belong to anyone. If Papa where he born now, like me now, I dey answer Arala Osula. That is my father's name. Mona tell her, make she just make up. Nice. Let us just know the one we born you. At least if you dey answer for school, if you want to answer for school, you must answer. Maybe if I dey answer Pemi, I will say Pemi, Arala Osula. Arala is my father's name. Osula is his family's name. Do you understand? So let's answer one. Mo know the one where she belong. This one na nani. Now she go for the two family where she go. Oh na aya so high nema aya so fine egbe ni oya we nani ni jegu va desa eki oba ni jegu eki oba wo gbemila ori ze gbemila ona your pia ije na your pia to bo na ya gbegbe wa uweki lare wo le to story ju ma wo gbe o wo le to sere la ma wo gbe o come mo continue. Oh, Ivie Eriyo, are you stupid? Are you mad? For how insult your parents, you come first to talk to my papa, my own papa, anyhow. Oh, go walk back bijou la emi ni akajini. Kian masunwe agbe only gbo mama men Pemi egbe igbalegbo we na. Wa go egbe igbo. Me I live una, mo na dey listen na me agbalegbo me. Agbe o. So, Ogbebita, mommy, why ya go? Oh, what Gbebita wow? Oh, you Gbebita on Gbebiyeki. If you not see her, she dey cry every day na tears then she dey. Very useless woman. Because of this, I don't want to talk to you, but I will tell you as you find me, and I will find you, and I'm going to die with you every blessed day. If you give me, I give you. Ununa aze, ununa anwano. I'll give it to you. We are bite. We're not zua. We're not zua. When the Mofi Jaguna no joy party. When the Domino Jaguna no joy party.
As for me, I am doing perfectly well because me mana ya kwingorene me na ya gwa social media ime wa kwingorene me kedo tutu ene mo wa mode.
My people, why I pour this place? Are we mana kwingorene ye gbogbo social media ye mana kwingorene ye tutu de wa zuwa we no zuwa. Ewobi ehun iwe ya gio ina be unison ehun epe ozele na mu na regele come ehun try to come so that I can mess on this woman head today. Ya wa gele wa no la bida la veda ya wa gele wa no ehun na ye o awa re baba ne wa gbesu hon gbe o. Very useless. This woman, what Anita has now. Now they have been never they follow this Ivie Eriyo before, my people. If una dey follow her before, na go know say Ivie Eriyo. How wish na Ivie Eriyo na e acquire wetin Anita Shaba acquire now. For real. Ivie Eriyo will not let hear word. She have used, let me say, from 2020 to debut that old woman, old papa, as when she said she debut, say na hospital. My meti ye mwese. We are hamie egeti Ivie Eriyo stage ibe Lagos no women ado stay utinye no zuana ekeno wiji menekere alagbodi man no ikeve Nigeria no stage my dear you know say ekeno we stage ekeno alagbodi man stage Ivie wa no we are mio we lekivo do we are mio you don't know my dear sister. I've told you before. You lie. Do you think my phone does not record? Do you think I don't have proof to beat you? You think I don't have proof to beat you when I come? Ivie Eriyo, I'm coming down because I don't want to be nuisance. I don't want people to scare away from me. You understand? I don't want to bring out some things that people will not call, they will not confide in me to be calling me. I don't want to be like you. Because why? When 1950 or when 1940, when 50 years in we in we gbera we give 1980 na. Ogbon gbugbe ah. Ogbon gbugbe ah. Na nita samba nena. Oga uwe. We ma boy. Okogbo no bo. No yak de megbina 2023. O ma boy efo. Una atame we ni do show ogo me. Ena mo lare. Ibime ma be in Nigeria. E wona na be me. Give me wona 5 houses and stores. Ina show ema when I be my way. Adia una egbeti me ba egbe view ema we. And I would love people to debate on it. Here in short, here I am a big platform. Here I pay with a big platform. Or I want to pay for men, pay for everybody. Here pay here. Even you are going to view a lad here. Here you going to know when you view well lad here. And you are cheap in life. Here pay or I want to pay for a Frank Victor or pay for Yeki. Pay for lot of big platforms for you. Dear, I will do it. Because you're going to go. Here pay here. Here going to showcase see. No make na here going to come on view well lad here. Ogbon buya ugbawa wona bo wa owo bo we owo lo de lo makoko yin we bo mari yen ewe di o ma we dede ubo unu ena arusi meti bo se eni in short then ye gun na we wait a video we fiyan yaro you want me to continue to come and be playing it for you ye ge seban we continue agun megun aye agun ni make na do pe ya ma we continue ya gun you do pe a voice we ya lade una hama we me se gbogbo wa me se gbogbo me wa o e ke na o se family e me se o ri oko wa o ga o wo do na wo de ke na nita ye na o gi o ene wa ye Nigeria imoto ni ave ya rent wa e fie and e get kita no stage ni ya mwela dia my sister ya le whenever 1948 and 50 no rewebu we do aje gbugbo ya gime me do teni meme ina do bobe ime kogbo in Nigeria ina do bobe me in Nigeria ya imona ya gwo even me we government in short wa ni meme mana ime we fi ma yo wa ile to gba na ma I wa we bibi so for you I can put you in house wo yo ko ozuwa ma onu ado gugun we ma onu ado gugun onu ado gbugbeka azua. We are talking to a lady or son. One lady or son give me. Oh, how go wait. Hey, oh now. People no worry. If she don't talk to me, I call a brief book. I call a show now where she they stay for Nigeria. But I'll go show now the gates. Come go show now. If the gates now where they put dog gate. No. If na mansion, you know how it is show mansion now. But the where she dey stay, you una enter her house, enter that room where she dey show. She say she get AC, she get everything for inside room. Not be by room, no, not be by room. But that face, that front now one show una. Na dog. Na dog dey stay that kind of place. Dog. Come here. Agbe very idiot. What him Oligbo mama so well. Oligbo no so me help. Oligbo because I will strip this way. Oligbo no so me help. You ko wa zuwa no zuwa na. We ga Oligbo we na meje na. We agbo ama well phone. Me no wa bi me wa ku egbon na me wie yore na egbegu egbon. He will be ye. Okon imagine winner. I go sleep again. Imagine pa wa. I just want to help people. I just want to give people love. That is why I'm working. So that I can see money to give to them. Or one beware. Yeah, mommy, cooking. I'm even on a home here. I've been working here. We are here. When we are say, my second answer. Ye ko ye. Was having a zoo. Idiot. In short, not be only to. I they call for you. I got too much beat you this time because I have evidence to beat you. I have a lot of things to beat you up. I have a lot of things. You that went to Italy. Hey, ona na ba yerin get oba ya. Yerin ginyo to bo we deni. You to bo we deni get oba ni. Ya engage. Only na me bulofo. Okon not to bo pa Italy. bena goge. Biani only be one only the game was so basti. If you see the record where I get, not be the one where you they play for Anita head. Now me one player. Now my name the thing go ring up. Oh, but if you know how to sew, go and sew me. You not know how to sew. Go and sew me because my ring get this spare for your head. What are your boy? When he idiot, no go look beer. No so ba no mo be no wa mare no mo lazia. Be ni mana mo, imana mo enyaga. Only my don't be a dog get married where they marriage in your shop. My people, if this marriage where she will say she want marry, if it's stop, why it's mama? Why it's mama? But I know say marriage cancel no, but it's something. I get married because I want not to marry self in best to marry. I marry up there. Be marry up there. Oh no, be na. Oh no, it's very shapeless. Very shapeless where I'm your a cookie. Woto. Very shapeless human being. Very non-native human being. Every be every who. Uma gender na have a girl. You don't know any gender to compare this very idiot. She's just shapeless, very useless. Very useless. And that video, you said me. I called you say me call the stream for Franvito. I call you say ha. Thank God, so now your mouth is talk amo. Franvito matter when you wear your Monica the men there. Franvito, I want more well at them, which I still have in a phone. And then at that time I'll come replay her for people who never seen before. I'll come replay her for them. When Facebook me now, I don't collect money, I don't care because I don't feed on Facebook the way you try to feed on it and it's not coming to you. I'll come bring your whole come out for this Facebook before the mwela. Ena me ya agbe kwa we pepe. Keko enwe no ye bala. E wono ye zuo no ya mu ne the boy. Ido viola dia. Was zuo no gun. Very useless human being. Now even in your face now, I'm seeing it. Your face, you have cried a lot. You are tears a lot. Why are you so jealous of yourself? Why are you so jealous of human? Why are you just so bitter? Ije no bi no bi ma ho. Ije no bi o ya ho. Umato ma ho. Umato ma ho. O no bi o ya ho. Egbe no ko ni mure o mure. Umato wo saloba ho. Which evil arwa yemi odo. Why can't you pray for you to have your own life? But you are praying and putting effort to have other people that matters in life. One life in you. I wish you cannot get there. You cannot get there. People like me, where I mean life in me was Zoseviona, me Mosesena, me me was so yes, where do I be like me? You cannot be like me. In your dream life, you cannot. Or neither a lady or song or Anita or other people that you are jealous of or Rita. You cannot. You useless woman. I will someone beat you this time. Because was a guy more that time. A bama who was been bell idiot. The only thing you know, not a family. Continue. Me want in short. Oh, where have you agreement? Then I woo. Then is you woo. Have you agreement? History, you know. Azua. Make her leave her. Make she talk now. Now I like to the go when she say I just smoke. Make her like her.
Don't cry, baby. Don't cry.
Now forward this one.
I am
If you now see another what she dey even talk now. Her eye don't they red. Her face is ready. Because now she dey cry. She dey cry. So let me forward it.
Oh my. No man I me go no my go. Oh my ni go na tie go. So no man boy get. Oh gain. Ain't torono. Oh a problem no worry when anxiety. When I see the doctor before I buy you for live video. Who came back boom you live video whatever. Where test soon go live video. I mean doctor go and check. Go and check yourself. Because when you get on Google. In the morning, early in the morning, I'll go and walk cocoa. In the evening, I come back home. Anything where I see, I go to Salakwa. In the morning.
This woman where they sing now in the morning, any that morning when they select one. If I lie, make this money even spoil me. After this video, what she dey do now, she go inside, go dey cry her life. After this video, she go dey regret, what did I do? Now uzegudu, they call uzegudu, that is, let me do it, I'll start it, let me do it. Let she do what she did do so. She always cry tears because she is in pain. She has trouble. She has, do you know what is called fire? She has fire. She know what she's paying. In Germany, she's paying a lot to the government. She dispraised to the core. She's not, this one, she's incomplete. She's not complete at all. Very, very depressed woman. After this video, when she don't brag now, inside, her bed don't soak. Her pillow are soak. She's crying. Now even now, if she go get sense now, now even now, any person wey near her now, she no would like to dey complain for that person again. She no would like to dey complain for that person again. Now to die in silence, now she go come be so. And that one I was pass. This very woman, women know, we every all of. Do you know how many people? When I forget, say she dey insult Anita now. More will just come out Anita own now. She had met with a social media president's wife and social media president family. She have been friend to them, and she has sagared them, and then saga her also. And then she said she's their sister. She's a sister to them. Upon no, at the end. Now she come and say, now say their house there. So when those one call the saga, even she not even know what it be good. This one where they talk so. Oh, mine at here good. The Murphy wife, you know, tell me say she dash and go do. Now her mat, this idiot, this mugu monkey, my woman, Mr. Man and Mrs. This very Mr. Man and Mrs. Now he come tell me say, if I see with the good way the Murphy wife give her, now I say her God go bless her. Thank God she. When they can't get problem, now the Murphy cutlass, the Murphy wife cutlass say, as you useless rich, as you stupid rich, illiterate, you don't even know what it be good or what it be shower. You think say she herself go give you good. Now shower I give you. And there I can't know say this one, she not join. Apart from that, she can't be mother to Dominion. And so you do Dominion cutlass say, my house where I pack food can't give you. You carry food, you come my house, I come pack food, give you, carry go house. When you say you not get food, even clothes, na me wear you clothes. I can't even give you my way when go sleep with you. I think say maybe Dominion. I not that answer, but I can't see they contabulate. After that, I can't drink her too. I can't Rita say, you will can't take away. When you wear shoe when you wear itself, you can't even remove the conco. You know say shoe, when woman they wear, they get coco for Honda. Or they say co. You can't get coco. The coco remove. And Rita give her shoe, make her replace her, make it wear, make it to party. A cloth na zero. Rita give her cloth. This woman carry food like people will not get food for her when they camp. He say why Rita go talk am. Na so it be Rita. I be three be that one. Avienene. Na so it follow Avienene, beat Avienene. Avienene way near am. I mean even make Avienene near am. I mean even beg. After Avienene, na so it dey continue. Can't even reach my own body. Na Anita Shamba. Na a body can't reach la. Now this person I want to listen to it talk. Or not tabane. Or go on book be no maro we. Hope biani. Here de. Is a saga out biani. Me here me ke adoyo me doyo. Me a saga out be amare. Mami besa do be amare ni. Eko gia we ni be amare ni. Eko gia we ni. Eko eni o gia we. Kosi asu abeyo awe kwa. O agbe o ndan. Obi yoji. Otun enogie no ya ranita. Lare ime ya obo. Iwa me record wa ya obo. Ime record wa ya obo. Avec no was one. Oh, me ado, she insult me. She say I be bad. She say I not get picky. Now me want you the craze. Now me want to talk to you like that. When I know say I get children. Sis, pause. I got to beat you. If I dey beat you, if you carry lawyer for me, I go win you. If I carry lawyer for you, I go see win you. Ogun ogbo, wa gba omo gbe wo. U zaga wa gbon. No, no vex. Me I send one number for that. Ah, Zua, when is Zua now? Then you drop your number. And people they come. Very idiot. Since I get time, before I play your record finish, I'll fight you with you. You are stupid idiot. Disabled woman. Mr. Man, Mr. Woman. We don't know how to differentiate you. Monkey shadow. Very useless woman. We don't get direction. You don't get head. You don't go. Want to always to the make me to like you want to be me, you want to be me, you want to be me. Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you sick on head? There you are digbo. Igbo here then I move on like that ban digbo. Yes, you get here digbo here. Will they hear you?
Hello. Mama beg, no verse. I want to use your platform to apologize to people when I offend. When when this woman tell me lie, I just say everything she talk na true. So I was really pained. Say why they go treat her like that? I don't know say na lie.
All right, use my platform. Tell they call their names. Everyone when you enter.
Okay.
Apologize to them.
Good morning, my people. They say they know they follow who they crazy. I be action person. Many of them go to look and I say this good for nothing human being. They saga me. I not gonna reply her. No, I get reason. Fear not gonna let me try and reply her until the D-Day is being done. Don't I can't say I need to be person they talk for honorary ground that you're talking and do. So I not get any rights to come challenge her on media. For now when they look and say, she just a bit Anita not answer her. No, I know they answer her. I'm not gonna answer her for a reason. When time reach, I go know the reason why I don't want to answer her. So I won't use this opportunity to apologize. They never even break here. This is 10 minutes past 5 a.m. for Canada. I want to use this opportunity to apologize to everyone that I insulted or in the name of
Please, no Ivie Eriyo. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning.
So when she told me
my princess,
how do I come
good
close
morning,
to
my
her?
princess.
I don't know Edosaba's space. I've been on Facebook since 2016. I do my things.
Good morning. Happy New Month. Talk, they talk. Don't worry, not mind my talk.
My dear, I don't interrupt you, man, please.
Sorry,
Thank you, man.
Sorry.
So, I've been on Facebook doing my live video right from when I was still in Nigeria. When I came to abroad, the only person that I have problem with on media is KO family, and that is not Edosaba's space. I've never been in Edosaba's space. I came to Edosaba's space when enogie said KO family paid him to fight me. From there, I saw this person called Frank Victor. They were not saying this is a nude, this is a this is a that. I've not been into Edosaba's space. I've not been there. I don't even know what
I beg, no, I'm sorry to cut you short. Not cause enogie, yeah. Not cause anybody.
No. I'm telling you how I came into. I'm not causing anybody.
Okay.
I'm not here to insult anybody. I don't even have the time because I'm CEO. I'm bigger than those saga stuffs.
Yes, now if you're bigger, now people say you are bigger than those saga stuffs.
No, I don't want my Atiti no any.
Oh yeah.
So, you insult me. I did not come to
me. Now she call me because why me and she na level.
Yeah.
Someone will level ourselves.
Because
we go let's level up. Chris.
So so when I saw that video, how will a man said now woman make cause be this and laba breast be this. So that I can't do video to challenge Frank Victor. After all the set I do, she now saw my video and she came to me and said, "Oh, my sister, thank you," on the comment section. So I now asked her, I'm the one that asked her for her number. She gave to me, so I began to advise her that she should please and let go. Then I met her crying. After she do saga, she would say I had a cry. I was just trying to console her. I was with her trying to console her. Yeah. That is how I came into those about space. And I began to fight. She now said, because everybody neglected, even people that she had been fighting for. She mentioned Monica and all those people that time. That nobody came to defend her. I was the only one. That from today, she will take me as a daughter and I accept her to be a mother. That is how we started. When I traveled to Italy, she came to see me. We embrace, she appreciates me for standing by her. From there, we became friends. So I don't want to say anything that make me to run away from her. So what am I trying to say? After that, anybody that she's saggering, I will ask her, what business do you have with this person? She will tell me this is what they did to her. I thought it was a true, because I now believe that everything she have told me is not true. That she's the one looking for them. Now I believe. I want to say, I am sorry, they might not be your friend, Pemi. Don't be offended. Dominion, me and you not get problem. Because of this one, say you beat her, you bear, say, I was being angry, but always say no, mama cannot bear.
Sorry to cut you short. Domino not be my enemy. Domino na person where I love, but I go see the beat her small because
no, I don't even know. I'm not saying they might not just one person. They might be your friend, they might be your enemy, but don't get mad, please. So Domino, I am sorry for you talking to you because of Ivie Eriyo, because I don't have problem with you. I thought you guys were oppressing her. I am sorry. Who again? Frank Victor, I know we cannot be friends in life. Frank Victor, I am sorry. I thought what you were saying is lie and you were oppressing her as well. Even I see from there, though no, me I'm not talking, they not give on, they call for me, let's forget about that one. I don't even know the mommy Susie.
No. If you want come on that one.
No, I know what I am
saying. No, you don't know what you are saying. Never. This is one of my personal person. You cannot say you will left it out.
I just say no, you don't know how me and that take come.
It does not matter. I did for me and you now. Because
Mama, I'm here to apologize at those people that I wronged because
now if it doesn't matter, I say sorry to everyone, all of them. Not remove anyone.
Mommy, people that I wronged because of Ivie Eriyo, man. Listen, man. When I came early, I told you anybody in wrong with Ivie Eriyo, don't hear me. If I offend anybody through Ivie Eriyo, I am sorry. If I offend anybody,
you know offend the enogie.
I am deeply sorry.
Okay, you know offend the enogie because of Ivie Eriyo.
No, me I not get any thing after before with Ivie Eriyo. No, I don't have anything with him.
Okay.
Because no, I'm not doing anything because of Ivie Eriyo.
Okay.
Mommy Susie. I just.
Ijime when I say boni Ijime o Ivie Eriyo, ogwo wa gbe Ivie Eriyo. Ogwo wa gbe Ivie Eriyo. Ivie Eriyo, ogwo wa gbe gbo transgender. Ma iwo gun ogbo. Me ni chat se o si. Imame gboro so bo. Don't say wo gun ogbo.
Mommy Susie. Ije omani wa we mo yeki. Wa le ga omana ya we wije. Support you. Nobody should get mad at me because feel where see me because he may and even mommy no my 8 year may be you know tell me my wish at least you may fought you know
okay the bude
Emilesi okuze bude mege Emila no baby tan ora akuze bude why wish mommy Susie ya me. I'm not doing this because I need anybody's friendship and because Igwa was saying, Loma was saying, I'll be one man's squad. But to worry about man, I don't realize to the appeal, man.
Yeah, Mommy Susie. Now we'll go agree.
Mama Joy.
Mommy, cause when you live video, when you apologize.
No, I'm not.
Oh, no, I know. Mommy, cause Mudane, Ije Mudane. Mommy, cause don't worry, she will come. She will apologize on her platform.
No, people don't push me.
Nobody push. Wait now. May you wait now. May you wait. Make I talk what I talk now. May you wait. Make I talk.
Nobody push me to. Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, cause I beg, mommy. None of us be kids here. We not be small children. All of us don't born. We are mothers and we are fathers. And why? we be mothers and father. We already grow. We have knowledge. We have went through a lot. You understand, mommy? When time comes, when she wants to, that is, deliver a message or apology or no apology on our platform, she can really do it on her own platform. But at the moment she has now, when she decides to do it here, we should not obstruct her. Let her pour her mind now. Her mind now. Because this lady has kept quiet for so long. Mommy Costa. She has kept quiet. This lady, in short, we herself, sometimes because of her, they enter our life screen. I went out. If the thing one boss, I say, matter what way, now, you know, we'll do this one. You see, they do now. You will say, okay. She they mellow down. Do you know when somebody is the mellow, that is, if they keep the tea and the tea they eat her, and a person where they get action.
Yes, I'm a very disciplined person and I listen a lot. I don't neglect any advice. As is, when I see what she dey do, she dey. I'm patient and I will continue to be patient. But last, we will know who get power pass.
Mo will join her to people when she say she want to apologize to. Mo will give her audience. May she apologize for this platform now, so that.
So, Mommy Susie, I am sorry. Mommy J Boy Yeki, I am sorry, my darling. I used to say, oh, I'm okay, but when they don't poison my heart for you, I can't they call you, I can't they begin insult you. And as I insult you, Yeki, she not come out for me.
At all. Yeki, they do nonsense. She they do nonsense. So
I am sorry about that. And there are some people I cannot even remember their name. Okay, no, I think I not too much. Now people when she complain, give me now I thought to like the same thing. You know, Mama Joy too. Though me and Mama Joy we don't settle long time ago. Let me see apologize to
apologize to Mama Joy. Ije me waniki apologize.
Yeah, no, me and I don't. Me, my wife said on a phone.
Mama, sorry.
I will still apologize. Joy, I am sorry, my sister. And so where at the Bama, umana still come unwebe enogie. So you may don't make bana where or madame and we be men now. Due to where you measure, even monte, better way economic area, you were.
Eba here digbo. Mo isi gbo. Eba here digbo. We are going to make go.
Then we were
I apologize because I love I just short. I'm gonna kiss you. I'm gonna eat you up now. So just begin
Thank
to
you, ma.
do all
so
this.
No, I'm done. That is just the people. Let me repeat them.
You are not done.
Susie.
Rita, you have not apologized to Rita. Rita, Uma apologize to Rita. Because
no, I don't have any problem with that one. Why will I apologize to her?
You don't. You didn't fight. He fight her because of Ivie Eriyo?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm a very straightforward woman.
Okay,
woman
Jennifer Collins, she did fight her because of Ivie Eriyo. I have to.
No. Wow, so many things.
Okay.
So.
Ivie Eriyo, again, no, my dear.
Okay, my waiting of Collins. My one have a problem. I want to enter them as well. So the truth is, one thing about me, I get one character. The quiz, if I don't look the way I follow, I don't like her. We don't even need to quarrel. I feel just stay away. Stay away, not me say with the quarrel. I don't have a right to.
Okay. Agree with Don Priest. Did you have problem with Don Priest also because of Ivie Eriyo?
No. They don't say the later confess. I say na KO family. That will not be a dose about me at the foresee body. Nah, they come meeting for me and my person. I say me leave person picking. So they were telling me to leave Valerie with her. When me and Vera they drive Vera. I don't know concern those about this as well.
Yeah, mommy, Costa way they took him apologize. You will have to do it pop.
No, I'm not doing that. I choose where to do it from. You can choose anywhere to do something
exactly.
From. So that, Mama, expecting the here
at all.
Yeah, you expecting this is how
I do. I didn't expect it. I didn't even call you for it. I didn't even know you are here.
Thank you. So, Mommy, because you get to understand me. I am a very busy and a disciplined person. Everybody have the way they do their things.
Yeah.
So everybody watch my mommy Pemi. She's a loving person, and she's a woman of peace. Like I understand for some time. She's a woman of peace. She's a friend to everybody.
Yeah.
So because she's a friend to Iyeki and a daughter to Mommy Susie, I decided to come. She's not even aware that this is what I want to do. Me can't disturb her video, so because this is not what she planned.
Exactly. Because now what
me can't disturb her video, so I think I still try. Cause if you watch them, I still try. I just come on my own. They never break now.
Yes,
and they disturb the whole house.
Yeah.
Because when I me get the whole house, let me they make my soul. If now me and people rent house, people let me they talk the man.
Yeah, because they shout the way you
Even
do.
one room in here show a cupboard in 1950. So.
But what we're doing interrupting me because if you Eriyo na we eri me away the mo fit am yen away the mo fit am yen o ka kama we isoko ta me yen we avezi he ave ba na eri me kewu. Imagine the concabilities when it's hello.
Nobody will believe that it's okay, man. So, if she's
hello, yeah, no, sir.
I swear, whatever they're saying right now, no single one be truth. The problem is say it shock her. I will say I not stay away from her. She for come be the mother of the owner of.
Hello. I'm not vessel. I me they find trouble. Cause I me go outside. Hello. Hello, my sweetheart. My queen. My queen. You hear me? Hello. Guys, I will call her back, but let me follow up with this my internet now because I want to buy something. And if you Eriyo say, oh, that is the only word she always called me, that I want to clarify myself as one. You understand? I want to let people to know that I'm one because now the national item where most of them they call me. You understand? Because why? That now only that in our life pass. Because if my children see me like that, maybe I for don't fade for my life. I for don't fade. That is the only thing that will make me to fade in life. I'll be fed up. Do you understand? But thank God, my children don't see me like Oligbo. They don't see me like Ole Morocco. They don't see me like you are a drug addict. All my family too, my own majority family, like father, children, or mother's children, no one see me like that because I'm not. Even the men that I have my kids for, they don't see me as Igbo smoker or whatsoever. Even people I have dated, no one has seen me as Igbo smoker, but they know say I Pemi they smoke cigar. Do you understand? Do you understand? Even the man where I did this now, will beneath there. Now well known, but now married man, but now well known. I'm not hide the bay. Anything go happen, and I go even see. If you're crazy, if you don't do your marriage, make I see. If I don't see your husband beat, it's in a mad day that I Iman na me done we how me Ivie Eriyo. It's in a mad day that I who what you are useless in life. I buy my cigar, may I come for you. Guys, wanna beer with me, eh? I'll buy cigar. I did thank you. No, I not put on for video. Hi, I go put on for video now. Yeah, Anita, not worry, I'll call you back now. I will see come on for you now. I'll call you back now. I'll call you back now, yeah? Just give me 5 minutes to go out of here. De trae €1, la blanco, ¿vale? De trae de uno. ¿Qué? No, vale.
Blanco me has dicho, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí. La largo. Limo, ¿no? Gracias. So I don't come up for here now. May I go house? May I go to I get again? I be wo wie na. Era bi ju mo na jore be yin ni aje na. Ni ya mu je awe mota. Ni ya no mota ba ni. Won we Ivie Eriyo, won we era bi ju yen gbe lagbo na re. iya kari agbon ya gbe ala iya ala mo awe motor ni ala ri ni e gbe ale ma ni apa wa gbe o fi awun we ne gbe awun me ra me se everywhere be mo everywhere be say o me 200 everywhere we ti Eriyo ni o be me 200 ama we everywhere say 50 Ivie Eriyo oh go gbera gbijua take care of a community Ivie Eriyo everywhere take care of father bought a books children books in school for communities and the father have ever saw in children's life buy a books of communities apart for the children have your father done that who do I table ne rame oh go gbera gbe mi hey mi era wewe gbe iri agbon aberi asun wuve e grave no mama no wa wa yin na mama mi ti today ama make wona we remember say ruwa ama ta me kere grave wa mo raji Ivie Eriyo go gwa so jeja o pe hawa lale ya hamo era me iri agbon ayin mi ma wo egwa on your platform talk to my father anyhow you want your home hey if I designed your home because why Egbewe, if you think you come from Eriyo, or do no molesi we kere ni. Bien tu no molesi or bien ima or no molesi bien ima. Let me tell you, or no molesi or mama or samade or sapama or she oya bien obono arala erime wa do tebona. Ditu we do egbe sapama we keke bu samade reni ababuwe obuwe egbe yan kere imanu sie eni owo kedame imanu su eniyan obuwe osapama osamede oga egbe yan kere latiyan ni kama wewe egbe ni otiyan oku obienera me o meva bienima agbera o mokpa no kabie no wigbo no dogu eva no keni era mo biena do you understand ogwogbuya Ivie Eriyo ugbe hoa wona do nya gegbe gado kune gbege hey aga kune gbege o Eriyo marala ya kune gbege o na meke na neji uriyo hoa abi una frustrate na me send you Europe na me say you come frustrate mo won frustrate be we boa abi ma say frustration you gbe when me ji me no we do happy ne eri me iji mo say frustration era me gbe iji me no be era me o say frustration me how ma we de otu we ni no gele be ni ma you do say frustration era me gbe ama we era mo say frustration ye gbe lare egumeru ihe me meti egbe in short I have never started it before and I will not start it. I will not because of you insult those people because if I can where belong until mejo worry ne. If I can where belong. Beru the way I tell bonus ama osamede. Ama wa bu ye that way because was ya te bogi egbe meti e bogi. Lare ogun gugu ya enani no way. Ogun oha eren ju ohun ugbe ho fi agwa I dey come and connect my line again because I don't this woman I won't be done today me I feel leave my lady me my lady feel just talking me talking I don't cut the phone everyone that don't know Mr. Lawas in life. Hello, how are we here? We will see Boba. Now we need a day. He see where this. He had this guy. Go agree. Where? Yeah, we see Boba. He see Boba.
So that is it, man. So he gives me an Benaya team in Mommy Custas because our video where.
That is why I told you. Sorry, I told you before.
No, why we still don't see your video? If you are her lover.
No, my mommy, she dey go work, no worry, no my mommy. She go see her, no, she go see her, but she no will like. Wait, make me we are going. We are but she dey see her, no be say she no dey see her. Ije no kin, oga miu, o ti me wi yeke, ero ya woge. All the team, but so we team, oh, we
my spirit asked me to do. I'm not owing anybody apology because when I give them, they give me back.
No, you already give the one that you want to give. Yeah, good. You say people call anything. We have one. Back in the house, let's say. If you ain't go.
Okay. So that is it. It's so unfortunate that I talked to these people because of the wrong person. I thought it was the right person. So that is the reason why I come to apologize. I pray you all see my apologies to you. Maybe whenever I choose to, I might call life again. Maybe after your video we will discuss. I see Mommy Kosa said it's just an advice. She's not commanding me. I can do it. No problem.
But Mommy Costa tell me no bad, my sister. Yeah.
So it's okay. I can do it. I'm not bad.
But we are in behalf of them, we already talked about it. Understand? Like somebody like someone else. We have talked about it, but we're going to talk about it when after, even tomorrow or next tomorrow, we're going to talk about it. But to move anybody because why? We fighting the wrong person before.
I fought the wrong fight.
The wrong fight. That is it. That is true.
That is the reason why.
Yeah.
So for the other one, my people, I quickly let una know say, I don't see person where God will do anything for. You get one of my friend when I post now, I saw her on TikTok celebrating her passport. Anything where God do for you, I pray make una see matter celebrate what God do for you now.
Amen.
I don't see person God will do something for them. Also make it quiet, me not talking. Especially when I was a nobody, wheelbarrow pusher. Today I become a hotel owner, 16 rooms hotel owner. One person come tell me say, make I
hotel owner when she become now they heavy now. When they ask her say,
but it's good. They never